Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Out here in El Paso. I don't even know where we're at. Still grinding, still getting it, still in my training. I just want to make this video for all of y'all thinking about coming into trucking, scared about over the road. It's a whole nother level, but once you get it down, it's really nothing. So yeah, if you don't want to, if you want to make money and you're scared about being away from home, this ain't for you. But if you don't care, it's good out here, you know. The experience I'm getting out here is beautiful at night. The trainer that I'm with is amazing, and yeah, I can't believe I got it in here. Look. But yeah, I still got a long ways to go, but you know, we still out here. And another thing I wanted to touch bases on, another topic is, you know, getting your CDL. All these CDL schools like Roadmasters and Stevens Transport, they charge you like $3,400. But another way to go about it is, you know, like Dr. Pepper, Budweiser, Glazers, you know, food companies and stuff like that. You can get hired on, get in with the company, and they let you use their truck. So then you can get your Class A CDL, and that's the cheaper way of going about it. If you don't want to pay $3,400 for school, night, that's how much they charge to get your CDL. But if you already have your CDL and you come into school, like I did, it's $1,200, which is good because then you'll have that school under your belt and you have your experience. They teach you about the weight of the truck. You're in life situations every day, driving most of the time with the trainer for like 3 to 6 weeks until you pass your evaluation. And then they start you off at 27 cents a mile, and you got to finish 30,000 100 miles. Then for you to get your own truck and be on your own. Once you pass your evaluation from your trainer, you go evaluation from your trainer. Then he passes you. Then you go with someone from the company. They give you a little road test, tell you turn right, turn left, back under here, that kind of thing. And then after you're done with that, they give you your own truck and you're hired on. But you're like a probation period until you finish your 300,000 miles. You're still Squire. When you finish your 3,100 miles, then you consider as a night and be sitting at the night at the table with at the round table with the knights. But yeah, this every 10,000 miles, so you in your probation period of 30,000, like I just said, they start you out at 27, 28, 29, 30. So I still got to research it, but I think right on the idea. So like when you finish 30,000 miles here at night, you'll be at 30 cents, 31 cents around there, 29. I don't know, but that's still good for a rookie like me starting out. So yeah, if you wanna get your CDL, and not spend so much money, I suggest you go on with Dr. Pepper, Budweiser, and they'll help you get your CDL license, and you can get your experience there, and then come on to these big companies like Knight, Snyder. You know, don't go to CR England or Swift because they're not good. I just been hearing stories, you know, that their trainers are asleep while they're driving, and that's dangerous. But yeah, I mean, if you come tonight, oh man, it's beautiful. I mean, from the moment you step in, you just pay $100. They feed you every day when you're in training. They're paying you $400 a week, and they fix you up in nice hotels. And man, money can't buy the training and the experience you're gonna get here. So yeah. So if you want to come tonight, I welcome you. Come to the families in the One Night Nation, man. All right, well, I'll see y'all later, YouTube. Peace.